do your homework, do your due diligence, keep an open mind, you're going to choose Aspen.
Yeah, we have programs that we've put into place for the customers to bring them in. Let us go through the tractors, front to back, top to bottom. We'll go through the tractor. We will then get with the customer and tell them, this is what we found, this is what it needs, and give them the option of what they want to do at that point. With the hours that are put on these tractors out here, we push it heavily. It's a great program. Like I say, we're putting 3 times the hours on a year at least than other places in the country, and they're run a lot harder, and it's a great tool. I mean, we push it strong for them to help them out in the long run. So when they get that tractor back, before they go into the season, they know that tractor's ready to go. They don't have to worry about it not going when they need it to go.
One of the big things that we try to offer is obviously you want the powertrain. If the engine's having problems or it's kind of fallen down, we also want to evaluate the transmission to be able to couple that with the tractor as far as the heart and soul of the tractor, that it's worth repairing. We'll normally, when we get to a tractor with high hours, and that I'm talking about 8,000, getting up in that ballpark, we're looking at wanting to understand what has been done, because a lot of the customers are corporate here and they will service their own, and we want an understanding of when the last time the transmission oil has been changed. We want to do a good evaluation of the tractor as far as the value of the tractor to put any kind of additional monies in that tractor, because basically the old adage is they're going to have to drive it out of it. They're going to have to work it out of it once they put that money in it. So I'm a very strong proponent for oil sampling. We do in this shop, we'll do, if a tractor it has concerns, our flags go up, our antennas go up, and we do our men will do kind of a mini inspection, a short inspection of the tractor and evaluation, the condition of the tractor, and so that the customer can make a good decision whether they want to do any repairs on it or put the money into that tractor versus rolling it and purchasing another one. Several of the customers are key on that. They will put those tractors and use a tractor of that nature in a specific application where it's not their mainstay tractor that they rely on. So there's a lot of variables as far as the customer making those decisions. And in our industry, we have a lot of the customers have equipment managers. So they have records of what's been done as far as any servicing on it, whether we do it or not. We do some of the servicing and taking care of the maintenance of some of the dairy tractors that are the feed tractors, and they like having the peace of mind that the John Deere dealer is taking care of the tractor according to the operator's manual with the intervals that John Deere recommends.